What's up, guys? Welcome back. Yeah, welcome back. It's been 2 weeks. I might be making a video on where I've been for the past 2 weeks. And I'm gonna be trying to explain the best I can where I've been. So yeah, this video is gonna be a little different. As you can see, we're in a little different camera angle. So this video, I'm gonna be teaching a tutorial, which I've been asked to make countless and countless tutorials. So the tutorial I'm going to be teaching is actually none of the tricks I'm doing right now, sadly. I'll be making more advanced tutorials in the future, but I'll be making a tutorial in this video called the Y2K, or whatever you want to call it. It's either the Y2K rollover or the thumb rollover. Here's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. I'll do it again, a little bit slower. This is a relatively simple trick. It's not too complicated, it's not too easy, it's not too hard. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the knife I'm going to be using here today is a Squid Industries Squid Trainer V3.5. I just got this knife from a trade. I'll be also making a trading video on how I traded for this knife in the future. But let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to start off with is locating the bite handle. The bite handle is the handle that if the blade comes up, it will hit your fingers. So we're going to find the bite handle, and we're going to hold it in a closed reverse grip between your middle finger, pointer finger, and thumb, in a grip like this. So you're going to hold it in this grip to where you can loosely drop this bite handle, or the safe handle, loosely drop it. But instead of doing it like this, I'm just trying to show you the grip. Just like this, thumb or middle finger anywhere in the Zen pin or screw area, and pointer finger right behind it, and then your thumb is going to be around a little under the Zen pin. So in this position, what we're going to do, see, I'll try to get more in front of you to show. Actually, get right here. Oh, okay. Let's get right here. What we're going to do is we're going to throw the knife, and as we throw the knife like this towards you, you're going to want to kind of rotate. So when this flies open, you're going to want to rotate your two fingers and thumb kind of a little like that to where you're holding it like this. So you're going to go from like a grip like this to a grip like this. You're not going to notice it. Don't put too much effort into it, but it's going to come naturally when you swing this handle on your thumb. Because the goal we're getting to is getting it around your thumb. So holding the bite handle like this, and when you're gonna fling out the knife to where it comes in contact with your thumb. Now, when this is going to be the little bit of a hard part to get down, it's going to rotate over your thumb, and you're going to catch the bite or the safe handle, flip it over, and throw up. Now, obviously, I'm going to go in that in a little bit more detail. So first, before you get into the rollover, just try to get down, flinging the knife out and getting it to tap your thumb, like getting it to get on your thumb. So practice this for as much as you can to where you feel comfortable to fling it around your thumb. Now we're also going to do a little fling. Now we're going to do another little practice that flings it around your thumb. My pivot on my squid trainer's coming out. Oh well, hopefully it lasts this video. But so once you get comfortable and it bangs on your thumb around a little under your nail, when it bangs there, what we're going to be trying to practice is getting it around your thumb. So a way you can practice this is just simply getting it around your thumb. Don't worry about catching the knife. Just try and get it around your thumb in a nice circular motion, just like that. I'll do it upwards like this to show you. Just a nice circular motion. Nothing too crazy. It's not like you're getting ready to do a helix or anything, which is going to be another tutorial. But just get the motion of getting it to hit your thumb and letting go of the bite handle so it swings around your thumb. Now, once you get used to that, I mean, you're getting it around your thumb, no matter what handle you catch. Recommend doing this with a trainer. But getting it around your thumb, you're just going to be trying to get it to swing around your thumb. Just practice getting it around your thumb. once you get that down pat, what you're going to want to try to do is catch the safe handle in that rotation. So, oh, my pivot scratched. Happy I got new pivots. Anyways, I'm completely getting off topic. But once you get the motion of getting it around your thumb down pat, what you're going to want to try to do is get it around your thumb and catching the safe handle with just catching it and grabbing it. So when you fling it around, have your hand open. So when you fling it around, have your hand open, keep your, if I can grab it, keep your thumb straight up, and as it's coming around, you're going to want to grab the safe handle and just practice grabbing the safe handle. Spin around, grab the safe handle. Spin around, grab the safe handle. Now, you don't have to spin it around super fast, or you can't spin it around super slow, or it's not going to complete the full rotation. And even as flipping for almost a little over a year and a half, I still can't even get a slow motion perfect. But as soon when you get the spinning down around your thumb, you're going to want to practice catching that handle, that safe handle. So you get it around, your hand is open and ready to catch that safe handle. When you catch that safe handle, the bally is going to have the momentum to drop on your fingers like this. Like as soon as you catch it, it's going to have that momentum to close on your fingers. That's why we're doing this on the safe handle, so it doesn't cut you. If you were to start on the safe handle and you catch it, you're going to cut all your fingers. So that's why you need to start on the bite handle, fling it around, and catch it. With that momentum of it landing on your fingers, you're then going to move your fingers out of the way and pull up. Boom, you just did the trick. Now you're going to want to practice that in little slow bursts. Obviously, you're obviously not going to want to, you know, just doing it just like that after this tutorial. I'm not going to be able to go like that. But I suck. Okay. So starting from the beginning, I'm going to do it a little tiny bit faster. Holding this grip, gripping the bite handle only. Throwing it, getting it to hit your thumb, rotating it, grabbing the safe handle, and pulling up. Boom. A little faster. Throw, let go, let it rotate, catch the safe handle. Gonna have the momentum to drop down and pull up. A little faster, all in one motion. Safe handle, rotate, or no, I'm sorry. Bite handle, rotate, safe handle, pull up. A little faster. Rotate, safe handle, pull up. Now, all in one motion, when you get it nice and smooth, that's what the trick should look like. Here's what it looks like, a little bit of a different angle. It's a simple trick, and it's an easy way to start a lot of combos. Now, a part where people might get a little sidetracked on is the rotation, obviously. Just keep your thumb straight up and just let it rotate. And when you think, once you get that rotating down, and you feel like that safe handle's there, grab it, down, up. There you go. It's not the hardest trick. It's a pretty simple trick, actually. And then you can do cool rotations, like instead of getting in the safe and getting in this position like this and doing that, you can do this cool little move. But yeah, it's a relatively simple trick. Once again, gripping the bite handle, fling it around your thumb, grab the safe handle, pull up. There's a little tutorial. I hope this helped you guys. If it didn't and you have any tips, or like any better flippers than me, if you have any tips, leave it in the comments below. Do I have a stiff handle again? No, I don't. Sure does feel like it. But I also have a lot of play. Anyways, if you guys have any tips on doing this trick and you want to leave it in the comments below, make sure you do that. Leave it in the comments below on anything I didn't point out or anything you want to point out, any more detail or anything like that. Just help other people. Make sure if you're trying to learn this trick, check the comments to see what other people say. So another quick rundown so you guys understand it. Grip the bite handle, spin around your thumb, grab the safe handle, pull up. So I'm going to show you this in a combo. So I'm going to start it and end it with this trick. So starting it, just did it, okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple more tricks. And I'm going to end it in this way too, ready? Boom, did it. So I started a combo and ended a combo in that way. So, not a hard trick at all. It's actually really, really cool. It's a simple trick to start yourself to getting into rollovers. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next videos. I'm trying to get as many videos out as I can this week before I have to leave for somewhere. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, if you have any tips or any advice in the comments, make sure to let them know. Let the new flippers know. I'm trying to get as many people in this hobby as I can, because the Balisong community isn't as big as I kind of wished it was. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. You can always unsubscribe if you don't want to. Subscribing's free. So is liking. Leave a like, why not? And comment any other video ideas that you would like to see or that I should do. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.